Now, when the Reggae Girls grace the FIFA World Cup for a second time, they'll have a familiar face with them for the month-long tournament. Jerome Foster explains.
4 consecutive Women's World Cups, Jamaican referee Stephanie Dale Yee-Singh will be helping to call the shots. Yee-Singh will be on the sidelines at the July 20 to August 20 event after being listed as one of 55 assistants. The Jamaican official is one of 2 Caribbean assistant referees selected and says she's elated to once again be at the showpiece event for women's football after being in France in 2019.
Yes, I was really excited, a little bit surprised, and it was a little bittersweet. The sweet part about it was being selected again. The bitter part was that my colleagues who I would have gone to the Under-17 World Cup in India weren't a part of that celebration with me. So it kind of felt a little bit, a little bit disappointing.
Yee-Singh will be flying solo as a Jamaican representative on the world stage, but the exposure will allow her to build more relationships with her colleagues.
We will probably be paired with other members of CONCACAF from the region of North America and Central America.
The 34-year-old says her achievement is another reminder that hard work reaps rewards.
I always say the sky is the limit, and anybody that has goals and dreams or aspirations to become anything in any field should always go for it. They shouldn't doubt themselves. Your attitude determines your altitude. So if you have a good attitude about it, a positive attitude, and you have the drive and the motivation for anything that you want to do, anything you want to become, you go for it.
33 referees have been selected for the World Cup, along with 19 video assistant referees. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.